Hey guys, this is Deborah, aka Dee Charles, here from Pine Bluff, Arkansas. I am the CEO of Social Media Marketing with Deborah C, where I inspire, motivate, and certainly educate other home based business owners, network marketers, affiliate marketers, newbie marketers on how to leverage their Facebook profile to get leads and sales. And today we're going to be talking about lead magnets. But before I do, I want to say thank you for stopping by my video. And if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, then go ahead and hit the like, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that when I come on to do these videos, you will not miss me and I will not miss you, okay? And if you're seeing me on Facebook, go ahead and give me those hearts, thumbs up, like, and shares, and give me leave me a comment below so that I will know that I need to contact you if you have any questions that you want to ask me. So we're going to talk about lead magnets. So my question, someone asked me a few days ago, what is a lead magnet? So a lead magnet is a way that we as business owners or marketers, we share an incentive with the visitors that come to our profile pages or our maybe an offer that we have. We offer an incentive for them to leave their email and other contact information so that we can continue a relationship with them through email marketing or other various ways, but specifically email marketing. Okay, so today I want to also tell you say that there are four things that you need to do with your lead magnet, and so I'm gonna give you those four things. But why is it that it's important that we have a lead magnet? Mainly because we are business owners and we need to get leads for our business. That's the only way that we can our business can survive is that we have leads. Okay, so it is important that we have leads and that they are that we are connected with those leads, so because we want them in the things that we offer, we want them to come over and over and over to our websites, our blogs and different things like that, so that they can get to know us. And so through our emailing them, we can offer those same things, our offers and stuff. So the four things that you need to do to make sure that that your lead magnet is can work for you is first that you need to know who your target market is. Once you know who your target market is, and you know that you are connected with them and knowing what their pain points and their concerns are, then you can create a lead magnet that will be congruent with their pain and their the things that's going on with them, and you have the solution. For example, a if you are someone in the health and wellness business, and you know that your audience is about losing weight, or they want some information about losing weight, then you can make you a lead magnet that offer 10 ways that you can lose weight in 7 days or something like that. Or either you could say that you have the number one way to reduce belly fat, that as a lead magnet, and then you offer an incentive like a checklist or something, and so when they give you that their email address, then they can opt in and get that particular offer that you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and list these 10 things that your lead magnet should do. One is the number one. It should solve a problem, a real problem. For example, what's the weight loss thing that I just previously talked about? If it's not solving the problem with your audience on losing weight, then it's not relevant to that audience, so it will not work. So everything has to be relevant. It has to be a relevant a lead magnet. The second thing is needs to be quick to digest. So I found that a lot of time with myself, if it's something like an ebook or a long report, I have a tendency to get overwhelmed with that, reading and having a whole lot of information. So for me, I feel that um, PDFs and checklists are better for as a quick way to for your audience to digest what you're with the information that you're trying to give them. The third one is high in value. It needs to be high in value. It needs to be high in perceived value, and it needs to be high in actual value. Okay. And the fourth and final one, it needs to be instantly accessible. So if you they click in and they going to get this checklist, then it needs to be where they goes immediately from their from your lead magnet over to where the checklist is download it and have it instantly accessible, because sometimes if you have too many things that they have to connect with, you lose them, or they feel like this is just too much for me to grasp up. Okay, so I hope you have gotten value from these four things that your lead magnet should be doing. And if you find value to go ahead and share it with someone else, share this video with someone else that might need the information. And also, I want to leave my number one way of making money down below this video. And I'm going to leave also a way that you can get additional ways or some checklists that you can use for your business as well. So, guys, this has been Deborah Charles down here in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. And I hope you have a blessed day. And I hope you will join me tonight on the video coming up for tonight. See you later.